Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture all those crazy moments on your commute. On the left side we have the Pruveeo dashcam D94CH, and on the right side we have the SUVCON dashcam. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with everyone's favorite comparison, the price. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH comes in at $189, while the SUVCON dashcam is priced at $199. Now let's talk about the most important aspect of a dashcam, the video quality. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920*1080p resolution, giving you sharper movies and images even at high speeds. Plus, its 150-degree super wide-angle lens captures everything in its path. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam offers a 170-degree front camera and a 150-degree cabin and rear camera. With its IPS panel, you can see a clear picture from any angle without any reflection or blurring. It's like having your own personal movie theater in your car. Let's talk about another important feature, night vision. We all know that accidents can happen at any time, day or night. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH comes equipped with an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, ensuring clear recordings even in the darkest of nights. And guess what? The SUVCON dashcam has got you covered too. With its interior-facing camera design and superior HDR technology, you can capture important footage clearly under low-light conditions. Say goodbye to those grainy, blurry night shots. Now let's talk about GPS and tracking speed. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to precisely pinpoint your location, speed, time, and routes on a map in real time. It's like having your own personal navigator right there on your dashboard. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam doesn't offer GPS, but hey, who needs directions when you have a dashcam capturing all those unexpected detours, right? Last but not least, let's talk about installation. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH is super easy to install with the help of the reference images in the user manual. Just attach the suction mount to your windshield, add an SD card, and connect it to the power source. No batteries included, so you don't have to worry about sun exposure or hot temperatures damaging your dashcam. Now, the SUVCON dashcam is also a breeze to install. It's plug and play, which means you can start capturing those road adventures in no time. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH offers impressive video quality, GPS tracking, and easy installation. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam offers a wider field of view, clear night vision, and a user-friendly interface. And there you have it, folks. Two dashcams ready to hit the road and capture all those crazy moments. The Pruveeo dashcam D90-4CH offers impressive video quality, GPS tracking, and easy installation. On the other hand, the SUVCON dashcam offers a wider field of view, clear night vision, and a user-friendly interface. The choice is yours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and smart buying tips. Until next time, drive safe and buy smart.